Welcome back to the Real Talk English, the show where we talk about everything they never taught you in school, but probably should be. Today's episode. Learn about money before it's too late. Yeah, I said it. Too late. Because money is not just paper, not just numbers in a banking app. It's a language, a law, a silent force behind almost every yes and no you'll ever hear in your life. And if you don't learn its rules, it'll rule you. Let's start from the truth. Most of us grow up hearing that money isn't everything. That money can't buy happiness. And sure, it can't buy peace of mind or love or legacy. But it can rent safety, it can buy you time, it can protect your choices. And in a world that's always rushing, time is your most expensive currency. So why didn't they teach us this in school? They taught us how to calculate the area of a triangle, but not how interest swallows you whole when you swipe that credit card. They made us memorize chemical formulas, but not how to read a payslip, file taxes, or understand compound growth. No one told us that your first job will likely underpay you if you don't know your worth. That debt can chain your future for decades. That saving won't make you rich, investing will. That money sitting in a drawer is dying quietly of inflation. Let me tell you something honest. If you don't learn about money now, money will become your life's great mystery. You'll keep wondering, where did it all go? Why does it feel like I'm working and still drowning? Why does success feel like it's for them, and not me? And it won't be because you're not smart. It'll be because you were never taught the map. But here's the light, you can still learn. And the moment you do, you reclaim power, you stop surviving, and start designing. So, what should you learn? Here's your starter pack. Not flashy, just facts. Budgeting isn't boring, it's strategy. Your income is your army. If you don't give it orders, it will scatter and disappear. Emergency funds matter. One unexpected crisis, a hospital bill, job loss, a broken laptop, and you could spiral. Save 3 to 6 months of basic expenses, quietly, faithfully. Invest early, not later. You don't need thousands to start. You need consistency. Time is your greatest ally. Because compound interest, that's magic in numbers. Learn about taxes. Because ignorance will cost you. And the system, it doesn't wait for you to catch up. Avoid lifestyle creep. Just because you earn more, doesn't mean you spend more. That's a trap with a velvet rope. Understand credit. It's not free money, it's a test. Pass it, and it'll work for you. Fail it, and it will haunt you. You see, money isn't evil. It's a mirror. It shows you what you value. It shows you where you're bleeding. It shows you how you treat your future self. And if you've made mistakes with it, join the club. We all did. But don't let your past write your paycheck. Let your wisdom do that. Start today. Read one article. Watch one honest video. Track your spending for 1 week. Ask your elders how they manage their finances, not the fake version, the real one. Question what society sells you. And don't wait to be rich to get smart. Get smart, and then the rest can follow. Because in the end, it's not about having more money. It's about having more choice, more peace, more life on your terms. Learn about money before it learns to use you.